Welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to unlock the daily cipher for today, or to claim it. Today is 20th July 2024, so we'll be claiming the daily cipher for today. The cipher for today is reward, REWARD, reward. So the first thing you do is to click on Cipher here. When you click on Cipher, and once the interface changes, you get the first letter, which is R. And to get R, you do one dot, one dash, and one dot. Let's go. One dot, one dash, and one dot. Remember, to get a dot, you do the regular tap, but to get a dash, you long press. So let's go for the E. For the E is just dot. So all you have to do is just do the regular tapping. So for the W, you do one dot and two dashes. One dot and two dashes. For the A, you do one dot and one dash. One dot and one dash for the A. For the R, you do one dot, one dash, and another dot. Dot, dash, dot. For the D, you do one dash and two dots. For the D, one dash, one dot, and the second dot. For the D, then you claim the prize here. So we've claimed the daily cipher for today, 20th July 2024. Ensure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. Thanks for watching, guys.